A warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Mahatma Gandhi and Saint Therese. Principal, Reverend Father Sinto, Headmistress Sister Kiran, respected teachers, staff members, and dear students.
October 2nd marks the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, lovingly called as Bapu, the father of our nation. His principles of non-violence, truth, and simplicity continue to inspire millions of people across the world. These values teach us the importance of courage, humility, and unity.
And along with this national celebration, we also observe this day as Little Flower Day, dedicated to Saint Therese of Lisieux, also known as the Little Flower, the patroness of our school. Her simplicity, humility, and deep devotion to God reminds us of the beauty of small acts of love and kindness.
Let us now begin this auspicious day by invoking the blessings of the Almighty. Let us open our hearts and minds to the values of these great souls, allowing their teaching to enlighten our way ahead. So, without further delay, let's begin today's function with a beautiful prayer dance.
दिशा में पाऊं तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ। कौन दिशा में पाऊं तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ। धरती से अंबर तुम ही तुम, धरती से अंबर तुम ही तुम, रंग रंग में लहराओ। कौन दिशा में पाऊं तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ। चंद्र की रश्मि, ईश की ज्योति, पुलकित मेरी आत्मा होती। चंद्र की रश्मि, ईश की ज्योति, पुलकित मेरी आत्मा होती। तुम ही हो प्रभु पुष्प सुगंधम, जिसकी महिमा हर पल होती। अपनी दया से मुझको सजाओ, अपनी दया से मुझको सजाओ। मन का टूटा तार मिलाओ, मुझ में समा के मुझको उठाओ। द्वार खुला है प्रभु वर आओ। कौन बड़ा है तुमसे जगत में, तुम ही तुम ही तुम ही तो मेरे। सरिता पर्वत वृक्ष में हो तुम, तुम ही तुम ही तुम ही तो मेरे। दिशा में पाऊं तुमको, हर एक दिशा में छा जाओ।
To carry forward this light of wisdom and spirituality, we will now have our lamp lighting ceremony, which is a symbol of dispelling darkness and the dawn of knowledge and wisdom.
We kindly invite honorable dignitaries of the day. I also request them to pay tribute to the two great souls by offering flowers to them. Thank you to all dignitaries.
As we move on, let's attune our ears and hearts to the holy words of intercessory prayer, where we seek blessings, peace, guidance, and noble values from the divine.
Through the intercession of Saint Teresa, our patroness, we pray for our school and institute, that we may always be guided by the values of faith, excellence, and service. May Saint Teresa's little way of love and humility inspire us to seek holiness in our daily tasks and to dedicate ourselves to build a community of love and respect. God, hear our prayer.
We pray that, like Saint Teresa, we may all grow in our relationship with God, trusting in His love and mercy. May our school and institute be a place where students and staff alike grow in faith, hope, and love, inspired by the little way of doing small things with great love. God, hear our prayers.
We pray for peace in the world, following the example of Mahatma Gandhi, who believed in non-violence as the greatest force for change. May leaders and nation work together to resolve conflicts peacefully and uphold justice for all. God, hear our prayer.
We pray ourselves that we may grow in truth, humility to service to others, following Gandhi's examples of selflessness and dedication to greater good. Help us to promote understanding, compassion, and forgiveness, rejecting hatred and division. God, hear our prayer.
I now invite Lilauti ma'am to say some words about Saint Therese and the significance of Little Flower Day.
Most respected Reverend Father, sister, teachers, and my dear friends. A very warm good morning and happy feast to all. Today I am happy to say few words about our beloved patroness, Saint Therese. She was born in 2nd January 1878. She is one of the most popular saints in the history of the church. She felt an early call to religious life after overcoming various obstacles in 1888. At the age of 15, she became a nun and joined with two of her elder sisters in the cloistered Carmelite community of Lisieux. After 9 years as a Carmelite nun, having fulfilled various offices such as sacristan and assistant to the novice mistress, in the last 18 months of Carmel, she fell into the night of faith. Therese died in the year 1897, September 38, at the age of 24 from tuberculosis. She beatified on 29th April 1923 and canonized on 17th May 1925 by Pope Pius XI. Her entire life was marked by a deep abiding for Jesus. She longed to be close to Him in everything she did. She offered her life as a small sacrifice of love. Saint Therese teaches us that we don't need to do great things to please God, but to do small things with a great love. Today, let's practice her little way by offering kindness to those around us, trusting that God's delight in our smallest sacrifice of love. Once again, I wish you a very, very happy feast to one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, dear teacher. The heartbeats have gone up and everyone is eager to sing into the depth of music, dance, and joy. We now move on to a more vibrant part of our celebration. Up next, we have an exciting dance performance from our talented stars dedicated to the principles of unity, peace, and harmony that both Mahatma Gandhi and Saint Therese stood for.
Let us now enjoy this beautiful dance performance. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome the performers.
What an energetic performance it was. The rhythm and the body movements have truly embodied the spirit of unity and peace.
I now invite Rajesh sir to give us some insights about Gandhi Jayanti.
Good morning. Respected father, sister, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, we gathered to celebrate the birthday anniversary of a great leader, Mahatma Gandhi, who is fondly known as father of our nation. Gandhi Jayanti, celebrated on the 2nd of October, is not just a day to honor his birth, but also remember his invaluable contribution to India's freedom struggle and his teaching of truth, non-violence and peace. Mahatma Gandhi, or Bapu as we call him, was a leader who fought not with weapons but with idols. His philosophy of ahimsa or non-violence inspired the millions of Indians to resist British rule in a peaceful way. Through movements like the Salt March and Quiet India movements, he demonstrated the power of unity and peaceful resistance. But Gandhi's legacy goes beyond the freedom struggle. He advocated for social equality, uplifting the poor, and promoting the communal harmony. He believed that change begins with each of us, and his message of be the change you wish to see in the world continues to inspire the people across the globe. As we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti, let us pledge to follow the path of truth and non-violence in our own lives. In today's world, where there is so much conflict and division, Bapu teaching remind us to live with compassion, tolerance, and understanding. Let us honor its memory by working towards a nation and a world where peace and justice prevail. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.